Hi class, I just wanted to go through how to review and look at the syllabus, and I want to put a disclaimer out there that this might not be your course, but the gist of what's in the syllabus will be the similar in the course that you're at and the areas that you need to focus on. Okay, so when you open your syllabus, you always have the ability to see my email address. This might not be the email address that is in your syllabus. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, so you'll have an email address where you can email me right here. It'll always be in your syllabus. You'll have the textbook information. Again, this might not be for your class, but in the syllabus you have, it'll show you the textbook information. Used edition is fine as well. You'll see the grading scale. You'll notice very specific in terms of the grading scale, what we're looking at and the requirements. You'll notice the late work policy. No late works accepted for any reason in the class. Proper planning is required to do well. So it's very important that you're planning ahead to ensure that you can do your work on time. Do not wait till the last minute, because I will accept no work either incorrectly, which means through email, or not on time. So no excuses will be accepted. You'll have 7 days most of the time to complete your work, and that's plenty of time if you start ahead in advance. This will show you the breakdown. Now this might not be your class, but this will show you a breakdown of what the class is going to be looking at. You'll see in this class, you have discussions, quizzes, and final. Here's the discussion. I have a discussion rubric for you in your syllabus. You want to look at it. I have a rubric right here. I have a discussion board grading. This is very good and helpful. Could be different in your class. Could be some important notes for you to do well. I think this will have some added value to you. Quizzes and final exams. You'll notice that the quizzes and final exams will be multiple choice. You'll look at the syllabus to see how many attempts, if you get multiple attempts on there, but make sure to review that. And then here's the important part. This is the to-do list and how to read this. This again might not be for your course, but how you read this is, we're doing chapters 1 through 3. You have introductions. This tells you when it's due by. You have discussion board number 1. It shows you initial posts due by 118. Your peer responses due by 120. You see quiz number 1 due by 127. Again, this might be your course, but this is an example. When you look at this, you'll notice that it's due by 127 at 11 p.m. So all of these due dates are very important that you keep referencing each week. And this is how I would review the syllabus. And when I review the syllabus, this table is the most important thing to look at. If you have any questions or need more clarity, please let me know. But I look forward to your effort in the course.